What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and hope you guys enjoy this one today. We're doing something a little bit different. I actually, as you can see in the title or thumbnail or whatever, I surprised my wife with a Firehawk. This has always kind of been like her dream car, is to have like a 4th gen Trans Am like this, and she's always wanted one. And long story short, is able to put this together. So hope you guys enjoy this today.
Oh my god! What did you do? No way!
I made that conversation really awkward.
No way! Hi, people! Hi!
That's a free, clear title.
No way.
Yep.
What?
Yeah, this is real.
What?
Yep.
For me?
Yep, this is yours.
For drag racing?
Street and strip.
Stop! Oh my god! Ah, I want to be out here.
So, a few things about the car. First off, not telling you how much I paid for it,
Okay.
or how I paid for it. Don't ever fight. Those that know won't tell you anyways, and most people don't know, so they intentionally can't lie to you if they don't know. So, I know you wanted a drag car.
Oh,
I've been looking for a long time.
Stop.
And I knew she was going to do this, and it was going to make me cry. But I've been watching you, and I knew we could get a roller. It's already done. It's going to take time and everything. But I wanted to give you something that, because I've got Roxanne. That's my getaway. That's everything. And I know you're so afraid to really drive that car hard because you know what it means to me. When this came about a while back, and there's a lot of things I can explain now.
The whole T-top thing?
Oh God, I've been dropping all kind of stuff.
I noticed. I noticed.
Just wait till you.
Okay.
Wait till there'll be all kind of good ones. So, but when this came about, it was perfect because now I can give you both a car that you can just hop in if you've had a crappy day, pull the T-tops out, go blast some tunes, and but we can take it to the drag strip. Matter of fact, if you'll notice, it's engaged in freedom mode.
Okay, I was wondering what do you mean?
So those are the old front wheels off of Roxanne.
Oh,
I made a promise
awesome!
to you that you could burn off the tires from Roxanne.
Yes, you did. I can do a burnout.
Yep.
Yes.
And a burnout it will do. Not that I've done 1 or 3 already in it,
Oh
but
my god. It's a
so do you remember last Saturday
Yeah.
when you were working at the winery
Yeah.
and Josh and I were here detailing cars?
Yeah. Is this what you're detailing?
I almost forgot to detail or wash Roxanne, and I was like, she's going to be suspicious.
I was wondering why it took you all day to do just one car. Okay, this makes
car
so
has
much
actually
sense
been
now.
sitting for what? Yeah, a few years.
Is it
at
yours?
least. So it's actually her in-law or her parents.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So Josh had told me about the car. You remember the night at the drag strip? The last time you went to the drag strip with me when I was texting my phone and I was like, you can't see
Yeah.
it. Okay. That was so hard because I was like, I'm just going to have to let her think I'm possibly cheating for a little bit just so it doesn't ruin this.
Oh my
But I was
gosh.
actually talking to Josh about
Oh
this
my
car.
gosh.
So this car was
awesome.
actually, you can see some remnants where I missed some spots, but
It looks amazing.
we were amazed how well this car came out. Like Josh and I busted our ass cleaning this car.
Oh my
Like,
gosh.
and you've
That's
got
so
brand new
cool.
tires. The tires were dry rotted in because they were actually, the sad thing is they were new and they hardly had any miles, but it had been sitting so long. So you've actually got brand new tires front and rear. So these are the actual normal tires for it.
What?
And it is an automatic.
Okay,
But-
I can suffer.
I would have paid 3 times what I did for this car for the same Like,
It's okay.
It's amazing. Like, well, you go ahead and look. Go ahead and look. Go ahead and look under the
What?
hood and everything.
I was like, I'm not gonna know what's under there.
Here.
But that is so cool. I can drive it and not break it, or break it and not worry.
Yeah. So not only that, this is a project for you and I.
Yay.
We're both going to work on it. It needs fluids changed, belts, all kind of stuff. So you and I are going to be working on it.
That sounds so cool.
That's the paperwork you saw on the file. Like it's an actual.
Wow. This is so cool. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. It only has 99,000 miles on it? Wow. Oh my god. This is amazing. Is this the stereo you were talking about? The radio and the cord?
No,
Oh, okay.
that was actually code for Mike. So Mike facilitated to get everybody here. They've been here since about 2 o'clock.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you, this rivals the proposal. The amount of the people that were involved that didn't even know they were involved in this.
Wow.
And it almost got blown up the other day because it timed out perfect with you being gone for a week. So I could put miles on it, do some shakedown runs in the car.
Oh my gosh.
When I went to get the tires from Discount, I told him what I was doing. I was like, look, I need you to remove any of her information from the system, her phone number, her email, and everything.
Because it emails me. Oh my gosh.
And he almost accidentally emailed the invoice, but it didn't go all the way through. And I looked at him like I was going to kill him. But fortunately, it didn't. So,
oh, thank you so much. This is so cool. Did these work?
Oh yeah. And they don't even leak either. Yeah. I figured she's either going to kill me or be happy. I figured if I had enough people here, maybe she wouldn't kill me at first. But she might kill me. This might be the last anybody sees me, but you know.
He knows how much true crime I listen to.
So this is Paige and Macy, by the way.
Hi.
Will you pop the hood?
Okay, hold on. Where? Is it on
Down there, your kick panel.
It looks super clean. Tell me about it.
So
I'm not gonna understand.
It's bone stock, but to find one that clean and immaculate, like, now the only thing is, so this car was originally from what, Arizona? So the hood is, the clear on it's burned a little bit. It actually come out way better than we thought it would. So the hood's gonna need to be repainted, and the B pillar in the back or C pillar or whatever needs, but that's actually, they're bad for that. The glue comes out in the paint or whatever. Then it went to what, Ohio? It was garage kept there, I think.
No.
Where?
Yeah.
House?
So it was Arizona to Ohio to Michigan, and then from Michigan we came down here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's.
Thanks.
So that whole conversation over here, I was like, yeah.
He kept going on and on about T-tops, and I was like, that's really weird. You start talking about T-tops. Is this like the one that I saw in Pensacola that we looked up and they were super rare, and I was going on and on about them?
Yeah, this is a Firehawk.
That's amazing.
This is last year. It's an 02, so it actually has the same intake manifold as Roxanne. It's got pretty much about the most they did in a factory application. It's 345. You pretty much have the same amount of power as a base C5 Corvette.
It's on.
So now you can take your winery money and buy performance parts. So
we're both gonna be ordering car parts.
So we got it.
Thank you. That's so cool.
And you remember the time when we went to Dollar General last Sunday and we left, or we went to go get your sunscreen.
Yeah.
And I was like, let's take the long way.
Yeah.
Remember that driveway I pointed out?
I think so.
The one that like you couldn't see the house,
Yeah,
it was off in the woods.
yeah.
That's where the car was.
Okay.
By the way,
So we drove past it.
you've actually already seen the car.
Have I?
The other day when you came in the shop, you said, wow, it's really pretty in the shop. You should take a picture.
It was this one.
That was the car that was on the rack.
That
Because
is
Josh
so cool.
asked me, he's like, how are you going to hide this from her? I was like, right in plain sight.
It doesn't take much. That is so cool. Oh my god, I cannot believe it.
But the car is solid underneath, so we've had to do a few things. And so I got Mike to change the oil in it, and then of course the battery was dead.
Stop!
So I actually drove it over on here and nothing but the battery. The alternator was toasted, so we put a new alternator. It's actually got a bigger alternator because the factory one of these weren't enough. They had charging issues, so that's fixed.
That is so cool.
And but yeah, you and I are going to change the trans fluid and filter. We're going to do a fuel filter on it. We're going to change coolant, engine oil. So you're going to get to know this car inside and out.
Oh my god.
So really, all you have to do is once we finish those tires that are evil and should be punished accordingly, we'll end up maybe after I pay off the other tires, we'll put some slicks on those, and that's all you're going to need. That and a helmet to go out to the dragster.
That's why you're asking about the helmet too.
Mm-hmm.
This all makes sense now.
Oh, there's so many things.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you.
And this is
Stop filming. It's so awkward.
this is 100% me, like a gift from me to you. None of this fundage came from mutual accounts or anything. This was all.
That's incredible.
So this is 100%. my God, you got me a car! Oh my God, that's so amazing! I love it!
Do you love Mike?
He's so beautiful. Oh my God, he's the best husband ever! I love him!
What you gonna get him?
Oh, I can't talk about that on this video, but